Well, if you've ever wanted to stay inside of a cartoon, the Cartoon Network Hotel is the perfect place for you. This is a full-service hotel where you can find a lot of your favorite Cartoon Network characters. We are able to stay for this weekend and we want to take you along on our visit. So let's go tour the hotel. So here is the opening lobby for the Cartoon Network Hotel. It is so fun and welcoming and inviting. You can already see a lot of colorful images of some of your favorite Cartoon Network Hotel characters. You can see them on the wall. There's a lot of activities you can also do inside of the lobby here, so we're gonna go check those out. Look how fun the entrance looks. I love it. There is an entire Cartoon Network store. So let's look at some of the merchandise. They have great t-shirts that have a ton of characters on them. It also says Cartoon Network Hotel. There are sweatshirts as well. I love the design and all of the characters on it. We have a Powerpuff Girl look going on right now, so naturally I am looking at all of the Powerpuff Girl merch. Look, they have Funko Pops here as well. Super cute shirts, hats. They even have a little Powerpuff Girl bag. Look at how cute. I love this. Tons of other shirts, hats, t-shirts, Funko Pops, a little bit of everything here. Let me know in the comments who your favorite Cartoon Network character is, and let me know what you would want to take home as a souvenir. One thing that I really love are these towels and mugs. They have the print that is inside of the rooms and on a lot of the pieces inside of the hotel here. Look at all the characters you can see on them. I think it's so fun. And they also have towels of them. So they have a nice pink one with the pattern, a blue, and a yellow. Super cute. Look how cool the elevator is. Has this screen in different scenes. Super cool. Look at this. It's so fun. They have multiple different scenes, so it's something you can stay tuned when you're watching in the lobby. There are 2 food options you can expect to see here in the lobby as well. This is the cartoon kitchen. We're gonna have to check it out and let you know what we get. This is a great place to sit down and get a bite to eat, but there's also a nice place for some grab and go items. We'll come on over here to the Bearista Cafe. Super cute, very themed area. Very cute cafe themed after the Bears. And they have some games in here, a lot of good grab and go items like coffees, sandwiches, a good place for the morning or for a quick lunch. But we'll have to check that out another time as well. And throughout the lobby, they also have a lot of sketches from some of the cartoons, which I think is a really nice added touch. Another fun activity is the Ben 10 Omnicade. There's a lot of fun arcade games in here. Here's a little tour of the games inside. Let me know which games you would want to play. They also have this VR game that doesn't look like it's open right now. Maybe we'll have to come back if we can see it later. But this looks like a really fun arcade. Lastly, in this lobby is this little activity area. They have coloring pages, little cartoons playing. There is this area over here where you can make a Powder Puff version of yourself. I'll have to show that to you a little bit later. And then you can also draw these cartoons and then put the cartoon that you create up on the screen here. I drew this little cloud up here in the corner. Just so fun. Another little fun activity you can do during your stay here at the Cartoon Network Hotel. So I'm going to show you how to do this animated cartoon character drawing. So I'm going to choose this little cloud guy. We're going to come down here and we're going to color. So now we have our drawing complete and I'm going to show you how to make it come to life. So you come over to this little box and you line up the QR codes and there we go. There's our animation. It's so cool. Now we left our mark on the Cartoon Network Hotel. Another fun activity we did is the Craig of the Creek hide and seek scavenger hunt. So all of these characters are hiding around the lobby of the Cartoon Network Hotel and you have to find them, and once you find them all you get to claim a prize. So I'm going to show you where some are and also what prize you get. For the prize you are given this very fun Cartoon Network Hotel hide and seek hero pin, which is a fun souvenir to take home on your trip, but let's find some of the characters. Mandy's also taking a turn drawing a little cartoon. What is your character like, Mandy?
It's a pink and orange cow.
A pink and orange cow, that is so cute. So we'll watch hers come to life too. I do think they change the location of the characters frequently, but here is one. This is Jojo Mojo. So they are very hidden, but there's other ones inside the lobby that I can show as well. All right, Mandy's ready to go. Oh, there it is! There's her cow! Look, it has a little watermelon head! It's so cute, Mandy. Do you like it? You can find another character right underneath the Cartoon Network sign. Here is Jake the dog. They're either plush characters or little vinyl stickers. Also in the lobby right now, in the corner, you can find Steven Universe. And there's also a Finn the human plush. Here we are inside of the Cartoon Network kitchen. It is also a very fun themed area as well. They have these little booths that are themed after different cartoons. There's a Powerpuff Girl one, a Ben 10 one, and an Adventure Time one. In the kitchen they also have these screens where you can see some of the characters making the food, some more characters. So this is a fun thing to look at while you eat. The Bearista Cafe is open, so let me give you a little tour. Here is the inside. Got a couple of little goodies, maybe some little breakfast options. Then they also have some games that you can do in here. They've got beanbag toss, very cute little themed area, and great for grab and go items. Now that we've seen what you can expect to find in the lobby and all of the activities, let's go ahead and do a quick room tour and outfit change and show you the whole pool area. Okay, we got the keys to our room. We're gonna see which room we got. So the fun thing about the Cartoon Network Hotel is that they have different themed rooms. So we don't know which room we got. Let's go ahead and see which room we got. All right, I love the pink door. Oh, it looks like we got a Ben 10 room. Look how fun. We're gonna check out all the details, so let's see what you can find inside of the Cartoon Network Hotel rooms. Welcome to our Ben 10 room. So I'm gonna give you the full tour here. You can see the beds. They've got wonderful decorations on them. Look at the fun Ben 10 pillows. Super fun. I loved the theming of these rooms. They're so bright. And so there's a couple of amenities that you can expect to find inside your room here. So we've got a fridge, which is really nice if you have any snacks you want to bring, a little mini breakfast or anything like that. You can definitely put those in there, keep your drinks cold. There is also a safe in here if you have any valuables on your trip. And also, look, we've got some more blankets, but also a drawer if you wanted to unpack if you'll be here for a little while. Look at this adorable little stool, pulls out, and it's on rollers. It's on rollers. So we also have a large TV. You also can find your own little Keurig here. That they have little Keurig cups that you can choose from to get your day started. One thing that I think is super fun, I have never seen this in a hotel room before. There is a bean bag inside of the hotel room. I've never seen this before, but look, it is so comfy. You can just come and chill after your long day, walking around. And let's see inside. Well, I did want to point out too, look at the fun like wallpaper they have on here. So this is fun. You can come and kind of pick out your favorite Cartoon Network characters. And it's a beautiful and perfect like photo opportunity. So we're definitely going to get some photos here after we do some of the vlogs. And we'll walk into the bathroom area here. I'm loving the pink around here. There's a lot of area if you wanted to hang up any clothes that you have. A little luggage rack. And then we also have a full sink here, a lot of space. Look how nicely they decorated the little towels. They're so cute. And then we'll move into the bathroom area. They've got a lot of towels. We've got a couple of us here in the room, so there is enough for everyone. It's a full like walk-in shower, lots of space, and they have soap pumps. So you can have a lot of conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. So this is a perfect room for a little family getaway. And I love the theming of it. And there's also a couple other themed rooms that you can expect to find here at the Cartoon Network Hotel. Maybe we'll have to check those out, but there's a lot more things we need to see here. So let's get going. Outside of the large indoor pool area. So it's fun because being in the middle of PA in the middle of the winter time, we're still gonna want to swim. So they have a full indoor pool. They've got a hot tub. We'll go ahead in there and check it out. But look at the design on the outside. Tons of good photo opportunities as well, and a very cute outdoor aesthetic here. So we'll go ahead and come on inside. Here we are inside of the pool. So we've got area and then two hot tubs, not one but two. So So we're gonna have to check those out a little bit later. Also inside of the indoor pool area, we just found a full ping pong table. So if you're looking for a fun activity after your swimming, after your full day, you can definitely come in and just play a little bit of ping pong. Going along with the whole pool area, this is probably one of my favorite parts of the hotel just because it is so cute. This is the Powerpuff Girl Splashville Splash Zone. Look at how adorable it is. It's so cute. It's not open right now. It's going to open on later on in the spring. This is a fun place to come if it's a hot day in the summertime. Come and hang out at this little splash zone. Completing the pool tour, we have ended at the Land of Pool. So this is the larger outdoor pool that they have, still opening later on this spring. But not only do they have a full pool area, they also have a slide here in the back, which is very fun. And they also have a huge concession stand, which is nice to get a snack after you are swimming in the pool or just for a midday break and snack. I also like the lights that they have strung across here. This would be cool to see in the evening. But the concession stand is super cute, another photo opportunity, and I love the little sprinkles and lines that they have on it. Another nice amenity they have here are washers and dryers and an ice machine. You just use your room key to get inside. Come on in. And we've got some washers and dryers and an ice machine. Well, we made it home safe from our trip and we had an amazing stay. As you can tell, there is so much to see and do at this hotel. The theming is incredible in itself, and I love all of the activities there that can keep you occupied when you are visiting. And there are also very neat little hotel-specific things that you can do. I'm obsessed with the wallpaper around the hotel, which is why I decided to get this mug from our stay. So it's a nice little souvenir from our time at the Cartoon Network Hotel, and I am, like I said, obsessed with this overall wallpaper that they had throughout the entire hotel. If you are ever in the area or you're looking to go on a fun family getaway, I recommend the Cartoon Network Hotel. I think it would be a fun thing to do with kids if you were to go away for a birthday weekend to celebrate a birthday, or if you're just looking for a unique place to stay. The Cartoon Network Hotel is very fun, and it is very close to Dutch Wonderland, and that's another fun thing that you can do whenever you are visiting the hotel. Let me know in the comments below if you would ever consider staying at the Cartoon Network Hotel, or if you have any questions about visiting. I would be happy to answer in the comments. Thank you so much again to Cartoon Network Hotel for having us out to stay. We had an awesome time, and with that, we will see you in the next vlog or video. See you guys!